Hello and welcome everyone. In this short video, I will extend your knowledge of matrix to table. And I hope you remember which of these two icons are table. Yes, you guessed it right. The first one is table and the second one, which we have discussed extensively in other two videos, are matrix. To tell you the truth, a lot of features that you have learned with respect to matrix apply to table. And therefore, I insist that you must watch our videos on matrix before you can understand table versus matrix. So let's see table in action. So lies before me a data set which is being controlled by a slice of year. If I choose 2017 or 16, the right hand side visuals change. Can you differentiate which of these two are table or matrix just by looking at it? I don't think so. And that's the reason I said table and matrix look very similar. So if I choose the first visual of the two, I notice that the matrix icon is activated, which means this first visual is a matrix. Next, when I choose the second visual, I realize that the table icon is active. So the first visual is a matrix and the second one is a table. So most of the conditional formatting tricks you learned in matrix applies to table also. So where lies the difference? The difference lies in the fields area. When you're working with tables, all you have is just one area called values. However, when you choose a matrix, you notice you have rows, you have columns, and then you have values. Which means if you look for region and try to put that region in the columns, you will see that region appearing on the header, right? However, when you go to a table and try to put the region immediately after the month, you realize it is also appearing as a value in the second column top to down, thereby making your visual pretty lengthy and difficult to scroll. So that's the basic difference between matrix and table. The time that you'll be learning DAX functions is the time when you'll be using table a lot to validate your answers. For now, I will leave it at you to experiment. And if you have not watched our video on matrix, please do so. So I hope now you understand the basic difference between table and matrix.